Hey guys, what is up, what is good? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my own carrot aloe vera oil. If you guys would like to see how I do this, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that way you never miss an upload. So guys, first things first, you want to make sure that you wash your carrots and your aloe vera or anything that you're going to be infusing into your oil. Want to make sure that they are clean and you remove any skins, dirt, and so on. For the aloe vera, I would like to urge you to run the stain. So if you have fresh picked aloe vera leaves, you would notice that there is some green stains running from the bottom. You want to cut that off or allow it to run off. I mean, you still have to cut it off, but I just cut it off from the get-go, and what that does is it removes that rancid smell that your aloe vera can potentially have. So the carrier oil that we will be using today is olive oil, and I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You can choose to use coconut oil. However, I will be using this oil mainly for hair and skin, and coconut oil is no bueno because it dries out my hair and it dries out my skin. So you can choose between olive oil or coconut oil, or if you want to cook with this oil, you can choose a light tasting cooking oil. One thing I absolutely love about infused oil is that you have a combined benefit. So you're getting the benefits from your carrier oil, you're getting the benefits from your everything that you're adding into the oil, in this case from my carrots and my aloe vera. So that's one of the reasons why I absolutely enjoy making these type of oils. Carrot oil is indeed good for your hair. It helps your hair grow thicker and faster. It also can improve the texture of your hair, making your hair smoother, shinier, and softer to the touch. It also helps prevent hair loss by fortifying your hair follicles. So yes, it is indeed good for your hair, and so is aloe vera as well. Aloe vera helps with moisture. It's absolutely amazing for moisture retention. So if you have any doubts about using carrot aloe vera oil in your hair, I would like to tell you that it's absolutely amazing, makes your hair feel soft. One thing I absolutely love about this specific oil is its versatility. So not only is it good for your hair, but it is also good for your skin. Now, carrot is rich in anti-inflammatory beta-carotene cell regenerating vitamin A. Now that is a mouthful. It is indeed a mouthful, but all that is to say that it's good for your skin. It's like the powerhouse of skin products. Now this is gonna probably knock your socks off, but carrot oil is antifungal, anti-aging, and antibacterial. So it is definitely good for persons who suffer with acne. I myself can attest to this because wow, I've used it while I was breaking out extremely badly, and my skin cleared up within a couple of days. Of course, I incorporated it in my skincare routine, but it works. For my ladies and men that suffer with acne scarring due to ingrown hairs, carrot oil is excellent for that. So it reduces the sign of acne scarring, reduces redness from your acne. So definitely give this a try. And the aloe vera oil blended into it is an excellent source of moisture. Guys, I do apologize. It is raining outside. I've tried waiting. I've been here for at least an hour and the rain is not letting up. So I'm going to push through and continue doing my voiceover. I hope the noise of the rain in the background is not an issue. I do apologize for any inconveniences caused. So guys, when boiling your oil, if you do choose to use the hot press method, you want to make sure that your oil and your carrot or aloe vera or anything else that you choose to infuse into your oil starts off at the same temperature. Hence the reason I added everything to the pot from the beginning. You do not want your oil to heat up faster than whatever you're infusing into your oil, because that could result in your oil getting too hot and frying your fruit or vegetable, whatever you choose to infuse your oil with, and that is no bueno. At this point, it would not be any good anymore to add to your hair or your skin because it would have a burnt scent. You want to make sure that you boil your oil until you get rid of this film. I don't know if you guys can see the film, but I can definitely see it. It's kind of a cloudy. That is a result of the moisture in your carrot and your aloe vera being drawn out into the oil. That's why the bubbles are going so crazy, because it's like a foreign body in there and it's trying to fight it off. So don't worry. You will know once your oil is finished. That film will disappear and your pulp will shrink in size. So I don't want to keep you guys any longer. I just want you guys to enjoy the rest of this video. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down in the description, and I promise I do respond to every comment. So do that for me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and share this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in another video. Bye. I know I said bye to you guys already, but I love you guys so much I had to come back. I'm doing a water bath for my oil because I started this process before, but the oil was so hot it melted the bottle. So if you are in a rush and you're ready to bottle your hot oil, a water bath would prevent your bottle melting. I love you guys. Bye.